mon chapeau sur ma tête.
Fighting evil by moonlight, winning love by daylight, never running from a real fight. She is the one named Sailor Moon.
Oh,
Sissy, you're hilarious.
oh, he's gonna sit real still because we're here.
Way downtown to set up for Ganbatte.
Mike can say hi to the camera.
Hello.
He's too busy playing video games.
On downtown at TCU Place, and we are setting up. We have a pretty good setup here, so I'm going to show you right now. We have a weird mica, the stuffies, which are really cute, toques, mom's face, it's different, like our heating pads, scrubbies, our usual stuff that we like to have.
Except I only have geeky stuff. I don't have any of the pretty stuff.
So if you just want pretty stuff, don't come here. We only have stuff like Doctor Who,
all the pretty stuff at the
Star
truck
Wars.
wars, food truck wars.
right? Those type of things. These, like, and toques. We have geeky toques. And overall, I think it's pretty cool. Look at the Kraken. Look at the Kraken.
Bum, bum, bum.